Imagine you're in a bustling city, surrounded by millions of people. You need to find a specific person, but you only have their name. How would you do it? That's the challenge you face when working in ClickUp, especially in large teams or complex projects. But don't worry, today we're going to dive deep into the various methods you can use to find people efficiently on ClickUp. Method 1. Search bar. The search bar is your go-to tool for quick and easy searches. Here's how to use it effectively. Access the search bar. It's usually located at the top of your ClickUp workspace. Enter keywords. Type in the person's name, their email address, or any relevant information you have. Refine your search. Use filters to narrow down your results. For instance, you can search for people within specific teams, projects, or tasks. Review results. Click on the search results to view the person's profile or their involvement in different projects. Example: if you're looking for a team member named John Doe, who works on the marketing project, you can search for John Doe Marketing. Method 2. Team and project views. ClickUp's team and project views offer a more visual way to find people. Here's how to use them. Navigate to the team or project view. Click on the team or project name in your workspace. Locate the team members or project participants. These are usually listed in a sidebar or within the project overview. Filter by roles or permissions. If you're looking for specific people with certain roles, e.g., owners, guests, or permissions, you can apply filters to narrow down the results. Example: if you're working on the design project and need to find all the designers involved, you can go to the design project view and filter by the designer role. Method 3. Task and comment views. Tasks and comments can also provide clues about who's involved in a project. Here's how to use them. Open a task or comment. Click on the task or comment you're interested in. Check the assignee or commenter. The person assigned to the task or the one who left the comment is likely involved. Explore related tasks or comments. Look for connections between tasks or comments to identify other potential participants. Example: if you're reviewing a task with the comment "Great work, Sarah," you can assume Sarah is involved in the project. Method 4. People view. The people view provides a centralized list of all users in your workspace. Here's how to use it. Access the people view. This is usually located in your workspace settings or navigation menu. Search for specific users. Use the search bar within the people view to find individuals by name, email, or other criteria. View user profiles. Click on a user's name to see their profile information, including their role, team membership, and project involvement. Example: if you know the person's email address, you can search for it in the people view to find their profile. Additional tips: leverage the search bar effectively. Use quotation marks to search for exact phrases, e.g., John Doe Marketing. Utilize filters. Experiment with different filters to refine your search results. Explore advanced search options. Some ClickUp workspaces may offer advanced search features, such as searching by custom fields or tags. Ask for help. If you're still struggling, don't hesitate to reach out to your team or ClickUp support for assistance. Finding people on ClickUp doesn't have to be a daunting task. By mastering these methods and utilizing the search tools available, you can quickly and efficiently locate the individuals you need to collaborate with. Have you tried any of these methods? Share your experiences in the comments below. And if you have any other questions about finding people on ClickUp, feel free to ask. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.